go by the name of Mr. Beezy. I'm an inspirational, motivational speaker, and I literally just travel across the country encouraging young people like you to just go out into the world and to be successful. Today, I'm going to be spending the day motivating Year 10 students. There are going to be 4 different schools coming down today, and I'm going to spend the day motivating them. They're talking about their careers, their future, and their post-16 options. Stay tuned for what today is going to have. Cheers! All I ask from you guys is that you guys keep it 100% real and brutally honest with your answers. And I promise you, you will not get in trouble for your responses. Is that cool? Yeah? Some of you are like, yes. I want it to keep it real. Like, you're not going to get in trouble for it. Like, this isn't school. Like, this is my assembly. Like, you can say what you want in my assembly. Like, because I want you lot to actually, like, get it off your chest almost. Because if we don't get it off our chests, then you're never actually going to get the support that you need. How many of you actually feel like a bit of pressure when it comes to school and doing well? Anyone? Yeah? Who's the pressure come from? Huh? Some like parents, some like teachers. Right? Cool. And I think you're about right. Some of it will come from parents, some of it may come from teachers, right? But here's my thing, right? When it comes to being successful, right? It's all well and good us saying, oh yeah, you know what, I want to be successful. But we've got to make sure we're actually doing the things that we need to do to make sure that we get the success that we want. Because let's keep it brutally honest. How many of you guys have those days where you just can't be bothered to do any work? Yeah? And you're going to keep getting those days, right? And here's the funny thing. You guys are year 10 now. You wait till you get to year 11. Teachers are going to be like, this is the most important year of your school journey. Right? It's like, all right, calm down, right? I get what it feels like to feel the pressure of, you know, having to achieve in your academic side of education. I get what it feels like to have the pressure from your parents and your teachers. I get what it feels like to struggle with a subject and have people that you feel like don't understand you, so you can't really reach out to anyone for help. So honestly, man, like, school's gonna be long, but just do your best to kind of get through it and use each other to support each other, do you know what I'm saying? Because naturally...
We're role models for year 7.
Oh, yeah, literally. Oh, here's the munch. I want to dress up, My thing is this, man, I just want to give the young people a warning, you know, to take life seriously, take their futures seriously. For me, I don't see this as a joke. Like, I've been where you guys are, and trust me, I'm only here to encourage you lot, right? I understand the pressure you lot are under. I understand how daunting it can be, and I just want to see you lot across the finishing line. Is that cool, guys? Yeah? And I just really want them to understand that, you know what, if they can turn around now, make the changes now, they can achieve the success that they want. And why I say this is because I see so many people who end up working a job that they don't like. They've got qualifications, they've gone to university, they've done everything that they had to do, but they still end up working a job that they don't like. And you know, I think it's so important that in life, you do something that you enjoy doing. Why? I've been in that position where I've done jobs for the money and I ended up quitting. So if I can encourage the young people to just identify what they want to do from now, I think it will just be a big help for them. So that's why I do what I do, man, just so that they have a chance at life and a chance at achieving the success that they want. So for me, right, what I want to do today is I want to give you guys some encouragement, but I want to kind of see where your mind is at, right? So everywhere I go, I like to give people themes, right? And I've also given you lot a theme today, and that theme is hunting season, right? And the reason why I called it hunting season is because I say the world we live in reminds me of the jungle. And if there's anything I can tell you about the jungle, they live by one principle, which is you either hunt or you be hunted. And you know, every single day when the lions and the lionesses wake up in the jungle, they've got one goal, and that's to go out there and hunt. Because they know if I don't hunt, I don't eat. If I don't eat, I don't survive. So every single day, the hunt is mandatory for the lion. And you know what? I need you guys to have that same sort of mindset where every single day when you guys wake up, you guys are going hunting. Now, what do I expect you guys to go and hunt? I expect you guys to go and hunt success. Because whether you like it or not, failure will be hunting you, And if you're not careful, failure will catch you and it will stop you from getting the success that you want. Like, no one's ever going to give you the success that you want. You have to go out there and get it, right? If there's one thing I can tell you about life, guys, and days like today are great because it gets you thinking about your future, right? But watch this. You never get what you want out of life. You get what you are prepared to work for, right? You don't get what you want. We all want nice things. We all would love things to be a certain way. But unless you are prepared to work for it, you won't get the outcomes that you are looking for, right? Just remember, man, with no grind, there is no glory. So let's get grinding because it's hunting season. Thank you so much for your time, guys. I appreciate you. Man, but honestly, I just encourage you a lot, man. Keep going. Yeah, it can be long, it can be boring, but it's part of the process. But I promise you, if you keep going, it'll be worth it. Yeah, guys? No grind, no glory. That's, oh, look at her. Yeah! Sign off. No, I like that. No, guys, have a good day, man. Yeah, man, nice one. Take care, yeah? Okay, guys, so I've just finished today at Easter College. It was a fantastic day. Spent the day motivating students from 4 different schools, man. And it was just a fantastic time talking to the young people, letting them know why they should be successful. Even after that, the talks, I had time to like engage with some of them in the career sphere and talk to them further, man. Listen, you know the vibes. With no grind, there is no glory. So let's get grinding, my people. Why? Because it's hunting season. Ah!